Okay, so this is our machine, Olympic machine, and this is what we are providing, Olympic machine motor. This one is compatible for this one also. You can, instead of our brand, you can use any brand, but it should be compatible to the machine. Sometimes what happened is people buy our product or they order from somewhere else, but they don't know how to fix it. उनको ये नहीं पता होता कि इसको fix कैसे करना है. So आपको ये directly ऐसे नहीं fix करना. You should not fix it directly. There is accessories we are providing with it. We are providing this. Okay, so this one is the plate we are providing with it. That's for the table. You can unscrew from the motor and put the motor upon the plate, and you can run it. Instead of this, we are providing the belt with it and 2 extra carbons that you can use on the motor. You can just remove it and put the new carbon when these vanishes. And this one is a lock. This one is a core part
to fix
the motor, ma'am. These are the screw, washer and bolts. So we'll just apply the first screw here, and see, this one get locked. Just put the screw and tighten it. What this do is it increases the length. It increases the length for the machine and the motor. It fills the gap with it. So for fixing it,
now fix it on the machine.
Yes, this is how you fill the gap. This lock is mandatory. Without this lock, you can't run it. So there is a option of the length also. You just unscrew it, loosen it, or you can adjust it according to your machine length. Otherwise, you should place it on the lower side. This fixes the motor very well. So you can see this, the motor fits fluently. I just recommend to use our 1/20 horsepower model for this tailor machine and 1/12 horsepower model for the bigger machine, like this TA1 umbrella model. This one is boutique, uses in factories and boutiques. You can order anytime. The number is given below. Tighten of screws is really mandatory. You just check every screw that it is tightened very well. After that, you should use it. We are providing this plate extra, and this is how you put the belt. This one is sometimes little upset. You just have to loosen the wheel outside and then put the belt, and you can easily run it. This one is a 3-pin plug we are providing on the motor, so it protects you from shocks and everything. So this is a model. You can order as well. We are providing our machines and motors also directly or on online also. Okay.